Yes, Miss. Farah Abdul Lubis.
Ada Miss.
Zahwa Nazifa.
Ada Miss.
Safitri. Faiz.
Present, Miss.
Wana.
Ada Miss.
Nisa.
Ada Miss.
Divo.
Datang Miss.
Coba. Ada yang tahu alasannya apa?
Tidak tahu Miss.
Tahu apa dia, Miss? Males sudah. Oke, let me press alpha, okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, alpha, Divo, alpha. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Ready, start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dinan wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma wa amalan sholihan. Alright, class, now we are going to learn about our next material. Do you already know what our material today? Apa materi kita pada hari ini?
Check in and check out procedures.
Okay, as you can see from the wall of the projector, our material today is about check-in and check-out procedures. So, what are they? What is check-in and check-out procedures? Jadi ada yang tahu nggak apa itu check-in dan check-out? Ada nggak gambaran kalian yang tentang check-in dan check-out?
Jadi kalau kita mau masuk misalnya ke hotel kan Miss, ya udah kita datang ke reservasi, konfirmasi, itu loh Miss.
Oke,
Kamarnya.
Oke, itu bisa benar juga. Yang lain, apakah ada yang ingin memberikan tanggapan mengenai apa itu check-in atau check-out?
Suruh masuk Miss.
Oke, keluar masuk bisa juga. Yang lain, mungkin ada yang lebih spesifik bisa menjelaskan tentang check-in dan check-out. Atau mungkin ada yang sudah pernah check-in, check-out, hotel atau yang lain sebagainya. Ya?
Miss, staycation.
Jadi kalian sudah pernah lah ya, jadi nggak asing lah ya tentang check-in and check-out procedures. Oke, so what is check-in? Jadi kata di sini check-in is the process of registering one's arrival at a certain place. Jadi itu artinya check-in itu proses di mana ada seseorang yang datang ke suatu tempat. Itu bisa tempatnya itu bisa berupa hotel atau yang lainnya yang memerlukan reservasi. Jadi check-in itu merupakan proses di mana tamu datang ke suatu tempat untuk registrasi tentang bagaimana mereka tinggal di situ. Jadi biasanya check-in itu ada yang namanya prosedur, ada tahapan dalam melakukan check-in. So what are they? What we must do in doing check-in? Jadi yang pertama yang pasti guest arrives at the hotel. Jadi yang pertama pasti tamu harus datang ke hotel dulu. Kemudian kita sebagai resepsionis itu mesti memverifikasi identitas mereka. Kita harus tahu identitas mereka apa dengan memeriksa ID card mereka atau yang lain sebagainya, paspor seperti mereka, misalkan mereka turis. Kita juga bisa mengecek paspor mereka atau visa mereka dan lain sebagainya. Kemudian kita juga bisa tanya, cek mereka itu sudah mereservasi atau belum. Pas kita tanyakan, kamu sudah booking melalui offline atau about to register now. Biasanya itu akan ditanyakan terlebih dahulu. Kemudian setelah itu pasti akan kita berikan formulir registrasi untuk mengetahui apa itu nama mereka, kontak nomor mereka, alamat dan juga pembayaran informasi. Kemudian apa saja sih yang dapat dilakukan dalam melakukan check-in? Kemudian kita sebagai resepsionis nih, kita harus memberikan informasi juga kepada tamu yang datang. We should provide some information seperti our facilities in hotel, such as a restaurant, when exactly the restaurant open, and then we just talk about breakfast time, Wi-Fi access, and other services. Kemudian payment, check-in tuh kita tuh bisa bayar di awal atau mungkin bisa bayar di masa check-out saat kita keluar. Atau kita juga bisa sih menerima deposit dari mereka juga dari check-in prosedur ini. Kemudian kita juga bisa memberikan key card. Bisa memberikan key card atau hanya key room juga. Atau hanya dengan memberikan kunci ruangan saja atau memberikan key card. Kemudian yang pasti yang paling penting welcome message. Seperti enjoy your stay or welcome. You enjoy your stay in here, etc. Okay, now what about checkout? So checkout generally means the process of officially ending your use of a service or living a place after you use it. So it means that ketika kita sudah siap mereservasi suatu kamar atau suatu kamar di hotel, kan? Itu tuh kan hendak mau pergi dari tempat itu. Nah, itulah yang dinamakan dengan check out. Jadi sebelum kita pergi atau meninggalkan hotel tersebut, ada beberapa prosedur yang harus kita lakukan. Itulah dia yang namanya check out procedures. Jadi apa saja sih prosedur kita dalam melaksanakan check out? Yang pertama itu adalah guest request check out. Yang pertama pasti tamu itu akan tanya ke resepsionisnya. Dia meminta bahwasanya dia ingin check out pada hari ini. Kemudian yang kedua itu adalah check billing and room status check. Jadi resepsionis, kita sebagai resepsionis itu harus mengecek dulu berapa bill yang mereka keluarkan selama menginap atau stay di dalam hotel tersebut. Kemudian yang ketiga itu adalah mengembalikan kunci, satu kunci dalam bentuk kunci atau dalam bentuk card key. Kemudian issuing invoice and receipt. Jadi itu apa namanya, resepsionis itu akan memberikan sebuah bill atau receipt to the guest to inform that this is what they have to pay. And then of course we need to say very well and thank you. After you do the checkout atau after the guest already pay the bill, the receipt, we need to say thank you in a formal way. Ada nggak sih yang bisa mencontohkan bagaimana seorang resepsionis mengucapkan terima kasih kepada tamu saat mereka ingin meninggalkan hotel? Seperti terima kasih sudah berada di hotelnya, tuh mungkin sekreatif kalian lah bagaimana caranya. Ada nggak yang ingin volunteer untuk mencoba? Faiz? Mungkin Faiz ingin mencoba?
Terima kasih atas kehadiran.
Itu bisa. Apakah ada lagi yang ingin mencoba? Oke, tidak ada. Oke, untuk mempersingkat waktu ya, kita langsung saja ke ini dia, vocabulary. Jadi sebelum kita mengetahui bagaimana sih cara check-in dan check-out dalam berbahasa Inggris, kita kan tahunya dalam bahasa Indonesia ya. Untuk dalam bahasa Inggris kita harus tahu dulu vocabulary-nya apa saja sih yang biasanya umum dalam kosakata check-in dan check-out. Jadi yang pertama ada receptionist. Bisa baca sama-sama? Receptionist.
Receptionist.
Guest.
Yes.
Reservation.
Reservation.
Check-in.
Check-in.
Check-out.
Check-out.
ID card.
ID card.
Booking.
Booking.
Room key.
Room key.
Bellboy.
Bellboy.
Luggage.
Luggage.
Payment.
Payment.
Deposit.
Deposit.
Signature.
Signature.
Invoice.
Invoice.
Receipt. receive. Belakangnya itu T. Receive.
Receive.
Available.
Available.
Occupancy.
Occupancy.
Single room.
Single room.
Double room.
Double room.
Oke, ada yang sudah tahu? Ada yang sudah hafal beberapa arti dari vocabulary yang sudah kalian ucapkan? Oke, kita coba ya. Nisa, apa itu receipt?
Receipt itu bukti pembayaran yang diterima oleh teman.
Oke, benar. Kemudian Ica, Khairul Nisa.
Yes, miss.
Apa itu bellboy?
Bellboy itu petugas hotel, miss, yang membantu membawa barang bawaan tamu, miss.
Okay. So how about Rana? What is the meaning of what is it? Reservation.
Reservation itu kalau misalnya kita mau datang, kita pesan kamar dulu.
Okay. Jadi reservation itu seperti pemesanan kamar lah ya kan? Okay, now I consider you that you already understand about the vocabulary from check-in and check-out. So now we come to the conversation. So this is the example conversation. What is it? It's okay, it's okay. So this is the conversation of check-in. Now I would like to ask Zahwa as the receptionist and Farah as the guest. Can you act like the receptionist and guest with all this conversation, please? You may come to the front. Okay, maybe Farah as the yes. Zahwa as the receptionist. Okay, Zahwa, maybe you can sit here as the receptionist. Huh? Okay. So act like you are a receptionist. Now action.
Good afternoon, ladies. May I help you? Good afternoon. I am Stevia. I have a reservation for 5 days.
Welcome to Cozy Hotel, Mr. Girl. Would you fill this registration form?
Stores.
Thank you, Mr. Girl. Here is your key, the key card, and the bellboy will escort you to the room. Have a nice day with us.
Thank you.
Okay, take a faster. Thank you for Zahwa and Farah for acting as a receptionist and guest. Based on this conversation, you really did a good job. And then I can see that the pronunciation that you give just now it's already fine. And then the conversation of checkout. Is there anyone who wants to volunteer to be a receptionist and a guest in this conversation? Okay, Faiz, can you?
With Icha.
Yeah, Icha, come to the front. Don't be shy. Okay, let's go to the receptionist and guest.
I'm a business.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Okay, karena Faiz turun lagi ya, jadi harus mengalah dengan perempuan. Jadi Faiz as the receptionist and Icha as the guest. Yes, you are. Start. Yeah, you may start now.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How may I help you?
Good afternoon, my stay is over. I'm here to hotel.
Well, may I have your number, ma'am?
It's 200.
Just a moment, please. Here's your bill, ma'am.
Alright, thanks. Here is the key.
you, ma'am. How was your stay here? Did you enjoy it?
Actually, yes, this hotel is good enough and the facilities are quite comfortable. I like the console and the swimming pool a lot. However, it was rather interesting.
We are sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am. I won't have that again.
It's okay.
Thank you very much for this day, and we hope you can visit us again and have a wonderful day.
You're welcome.
Okay, give applause. Okay, is anyone wants to say there's something wrong with their role play? Nothing? Okay, just one advice for Faiz, yeah? As a receptionist, you need to welcome your guests politely. I mean, it will be better if you just stand up when the guest arrives.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Like, good afternoon, ma'am. How may I help you? You may stand up, just respect the guests, okay?
Saya juga tadi gitu.
Because I will better.
Ya.
I can stand up.
Kalau sudah bagus, kalau menurut saya sudah bagus. Oke, untuk beberapa kalimat tadi mungkin ada yang salah vocabulary. There are some few vocabularies that you might mispronounce it, like for the inconvenience, and then guarantee. It's guarantee or guarantee.
Guarantee.
Yeah, guarantee. Okay? Is there any more question about this conversation?
Oh, miss. Oh, miss. What the mean of inconvenience? Inconvenience.
Ketidaknyamanan. Jadi,
Kenyamanan.
ya ketidaknyamanan. Jadi dia tuh kan bilang we are sorry for the inconvenience. Jadi kita kami mohon maaf jika ada ketidaknyamanan. Is there any more question? Nothing. Okay, now we come to our project. I would like you to choose this piece of paper. Okay, now I want you to pick one of this paper. Can you go? Bisa semua yang datang ke depan pilih salah satu dari apa ini? Aku beri satu. Oke, yang lainnya ambil saja. Okay, now you already have your number from the paper?
Yes, please.
Okay, now what's your number?
2 miss.
2, it means you are a guest. Okay. Farah, what is your number? 1. It means that
for Trinas. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Please fill in this registration form. Your room is ready. You will stay in room 310 on the third floor. Release your key card. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 p.m. at the restaurant on the ground floor.
Okay, thank you.
Bellboy,
Yes, ma'am.
please assist Miss Sarah to room 310 and help with her luggage.
This way, ma'am. Okay. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay, Miss Sarah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, give applause to them. That's such a good acting. I really like it. Tapi mungkin ada sesuatu yang salah mungkin ya di pronunciation-nya seperti tadi. Booking, seharusnya booking bukan booking.
Oh,
Booking. Oke. Mungkin yang tadi sudah bagus. Saya suka actingnya. Kemudian apalagi di bagian pemanggilan bellboy saya suka. Apa kayak di bellboy? Iya. Give applause to them again. One more. Okay, now our second group for Zahwa and friends. You may come to the front.
good morning. I would like to check out, please.
Good morning, ma'am. May I know your room number?
Room 312.
Alright, room 312. Let me check your bill. Okay, here is your bill, please. Please kindly check.
Looks good. I'll pay by card. Yes.
Very well. Thank you, ma'am. Here is your receipt and your card.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, madam. Can I help you with your luggage?
Yes, I have 2 bags in my room.
Alright, I will bring them down for you. Please wait a moment.
Yes.
Here are your bags, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for staying with me, ma'am. We hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me.
I really like this group. Really. Saya suka, terutama tadi effortnya ada ya, nampak ya, pakai card betul ya. Okay, now I want you to go. I want you to, based on your opinion, which one from that group, from those group, is the better?
Group
Is the best? Group 2. Group 2. What about the others? Voting. Okay, voting. What about group 1? No, what about group 1 first? What about group 1?
One miss.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 voices. What about group 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. 5 and 7 is the second group. Give them up. Okay, for the winner group, I want to give you a reward. For the reward is I don't want to give you a task for next week. But the rest of the students, I want you to finish a homework. Oke, jadi untuk grup yang menang saya nggak akan ngasih PR buat kalian untuk minggu depan. Tapi untuk yang lainnya saya akan memberikan one by one next week. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, baby, that's all our lesson today about checking and check out vocabulary. I hope you enjoy our material today and you already understand about the material. Is there any question about our topic today? Nothing. So you already understood about our assignment and our material?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, saya izin pamit dulu ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.